So here's the thing. We're going to have to scoot through this because the battery on my screen is it's got 20%. Can you do it in 20?
I don't know. If you ask some of the people in the comments, they'd prefer we always did the entire video in 20 seconds. To everyone that leaves comments down below, thank you so much. We love hearing from you guys just as much as you love hearing from me and not CJ.
But even the hates, man.
We
even the
really
hates.
do. We read all the comments, both the good and the bad. Thank you.
Yes.
I would say thank you.
Thank you.
Because it's really fun. Someone called me a
full-size midget.
Full-size midget.
That is
gold.
gold.
One of the best.
That is gold.
In this video, I want to show you guys a really fun one. I'm going to do steak and eggs. This is kind of like a go-to for me. Like on a fairly regular basis. It's also a really great place for leftovers or things you have in your fridge, or like those runaway vegetables that never made it to a dish.
Yep.
Which today I have green onions, so I'm gonna throw green onions in there. So here we go. Nate's steak and eggs.
Boom.
Hey, I'm gonna get my 36.
Excuse me.
You all right?
No, dude.
Yeah, a little. I'm gonna get my 36 up to medium heat, preheat this as I get cruising. So today I have a flat iron steak. You ever heard of a flat iron steak, CJ?
I have.
This is a fantastic steak. It's really inexpensive, and I think it's mostly because people aren't as familiar with it as they are New York strip, T-bone, porterhouse, ribeye. It's just kind of a lesser known cut. Like a skirt steak is fairly inexpensive, but if you cook it the right way and cut it the right way, fantastic.
So good.
Delicious. Flat iron is one of them. This comes from the chuck. It's like the shoulder part of the cow. It's one of those little connective tissue areas in between, and it's kind of this wonderful little nugget of deliciousness. So, inexpensive, delicious breakfast.
Okay.
I'm gonna add with just a bit of oil. You've seen me do this in a couple of other videos. I like to oil my steak instead of oiling the griddle. Where are my tongs?
Oh, is it
That's
two
not-
in a row? Hold on, let me brighten up my...
What'd you do with my tongs, dude?
I didn't do anything with your tongs, dude.
Where are your tongs, dude?
Dude, where's your tongs, dude?
Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude?
Where are your tongs, dude? Here we go.
Okie dokie. Oh! Glad you decided to join us again.
Hey!
Hi.
Where you been?
I don't know. It's taking a break.
So, I like to season my steak over... I like to add oil to my steak instead of adding oil to my griddle only. That way I'm not over-oiling, and I get just a nice sheen, beautiful sheen.
That's quite the beautiful sheen.
My Blackstone breakfast.
Ooh, yes sir.
This is kind of a little secret hitter. If you haven't had this yet, you guys can find it at Walmart. It's fantastic. It's got a ton of flavor, and it's really easy.
Breakfast blend.
Beautiful. Just like that. Here we go. We're gonna go presentation side down first. Am I waiting for you?
No,
All
I'm
right.
waiting for you.
Oh, lovely. You beautiful little thing. Let's talk about this next thing. So, CJ was making fun of me the other day for not getting him the right tortillas.
I wasn't making fun of as much as I was just saying you were wrong.
I got corn and flour. These little guys are fun. These little, like a street taco size.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do something really fun with these. I'm gonna let our steak cook for just a bit, but I am gonna do one flour and one corn, and we're gonna make this beautiful little satchel of flavor.
Satchel flavor?
Yeah, it's like a little bundle, a little basket.
Okay.
We're gonna sprinkle some cheese. I'm gonna give a little flipperoo over here. We got some of that beautiful Maillard, some beautiful crust. I like this.
That's
All right,
nice,
now
man.
it's time. Now that we flip, now it's time to get to our beautiful little tortillas. Let's make a couple of these because I think they're really fun. Would you
Okay.
rather have corn or flour for this method?
Specifically for this method, I would rather have flour.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
then, are we skipping the corn
Skip
altogether?
the corn. Skip the
All
corn.
right, fine.
Oh, children.
Hey, babies.
We have kids. We have children. They're all saying hello. Getting a nice greeting. All right, we've
Well.
said hello to children. Now we're establishing we are
That
on the flour
we're
game.
establishing that flour tortillas are superior.
No, we are not. Nice slap.
Thank you. We're gonna put our tortillas down. I'm gonna grab a little bit of shredded cheese. So I want to kind of keep this to the outside. You can just put a good bit in the middle. We're gonna make a little bit of
like the outside.
hey, we're getting there, guys.
Okay.
Make a little bit of a well here. just like that, because that is where our egg is gonna go, mon frere.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's a fun one.
If it works.
You can let a little bit of that cheese kind of spill over the side if you want. It'll give you a little crispy cheese skirt. I just want a nice, decent little well, just like that. Because I'm going to take an egg, I'm going to crack it right into the center here.
Wow.
Beauty. Do one on the other side as well. Hang in there.
Oh,
yeah.
oh. Is she holding integrity?
Breakfast seasoning on
Okay.
top of the egg. Just a bit there. Beautiful. Now if you want to, we can dome these, right? Let the top cook a little bit, which I'm going to do because I like an over easy egg. Or we can flip it. Let's check out our steak real quick. Yeah, we're still pretty rare. Should we do that tip and trick again, CJ?
Yeah, sure.
Let's do it. All right. Fun little tip on how to know when your steak is done. I got a message the other day. I saw a comment the other day. Somebody was asking me, how can you tell? I never use a thermometer. I don't like putting holes in the beef while it's cooking. I feel like it's just letting juices escape. So it's really by feel, and the more you do it, the more acclimated you get just feeling when it's done, being prepared for when it's done. So muscle memory, trial and error, just keep trying it. But here's a fun little trick. If you want to know the feel, loose fist but close, that feeling right there, that is rare. Half grip, that is medium. Full grip, squeeze tight, that's well done. So when I go over to my steak, I can give it a feel, and I can feel that that is rare. That's rare right now. And I want to go to medium. Medium rare.
Yeah.
Where do you want to go? Medium?
Medium to medium rare.
Sure. And this is a flat iron.
Is it now?
That's delicious.
Wow.
This is a flat iron steak, so it's actually thicker on one side than it is on the other. So if you are cooking a bigger piece of meat and one person likes it more cooked and someone else likes it more rare, having an uneven piece of meat is actually a good thing.
Yeah, because you can
Right?
get the temperature for everybody.
Yeah, absolutely. Check on our eggs real quick. Looking beautiful, beautiful. I like that. You know what I want to do?
Oh my gosh.
Beauty?
Dude,
Love it.
what in the heck?
We're getting some deliciousness on the
There's
side
some
here.
skirt going on here.
Getting some action here.
Oh,
Let me
man.
check our tortilla. Yeah, our tortilla's looking fantastic.
We need to move it over.
No, I think
We're
we're
looking good.
We're looking good.
Oh no.
Hey!
Oh, you did it.
Wait for it.
What were you
Bring it back.
thinking?
Hang on, wait for it. Bring it back.
Okay.
Got tricks.
Okay.
Make my own. Hang on. There we
Oh.
go. We're back.
Whoa, that was close.
We're good.
Okay.
We're good. I'm going to add just a bit of oil and some green onions. So a little bit of oil over here next to my steak. And I have those green onions. Now earlier I was talking about, having leftovers or extra stuff in the refrigerator. I feel like steak and eggs is the perfect place for that kind of thing. So I'm going to take off my root ends of these guys. I'm going to go just up above the white. Now this is the sweetest, most wonderful part of the green onion, and that's what I'm looking for. So I'm just going to toss these right into that hot oil. Get a little bit of char on those. A little bit of flavor. Makes for a lovely breakfast. Oh no! Oh, it's a run-by fruiting. Hello! Let's check on our steak. Oh, we're looking good. I'm gonna go a little bit longer on that side. I like it. Here's what we're gonna do. So, on our eggs, I am gonna give a flip. Here's where some finesse comes
Okay.
into play,
Hold on.
CJ.
Let me, because I don't want to miss this.
A little bit of finesse. So, we're gonna take our beautiful eggs, right?
Yep.
One flick of the wrist.
Okay.
Ready? Boom.
Wow.
Ready?
Yeah.
Bam.
Whoa.
There we go. We've got some texture here. We got some crisp. Some of that beautiful cheese.
I love that skirt.
Oh yeah. So good.
Ring the bell.
You can ring my. Alright, let's grab a clean plate over here, and we can get cracking. Here we go. So we're gonna take our egg. Now I only want this cooked just for a second here. Hey, now come on.
Come on now. Oh no.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Let's bring this guy over here. Let's get a nice, beautiful yolk.
Set her down.
Here we go. Numero dos. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is stunning.
Dude, this is fun.
Thank you.
You're
Thanks,
welcome.
guy.
Get out of here.
I'm gonna give myself a little space. I'm gonna bring my steak over here.
I'm gonna
Let this rest for
let
just a
this
second.
chill out for a minute.
Now check out our green onions over here, CJ.
Okay.
Let me roll these around in some of that leftover seasoning. Oh, beautiful. We don't want to cook these too long. We don't want them to get too soft.
Real
Just have a
wilty.
nice- yeah, they'll get way too soft if you let them go too long. Just let them go, get a little bit of a char like that. Just another minute or so.
Okay.
Wait, did you say medium?
Medium.
Medium?
Medium.
We can go a touch longer. This is about medium rare. We'll go a touch longer
Okay.
over here. But that's okay, because the griddle is cruising.
Still screaming.
Still screaming. That a breakfast blend?
Yeah.
Come on.
Tasty, buddy.
It's real good.
So what are we gonna do while we wait?
So good. I don't know, what do you want to do? I don't know.
What you want to do?
Hey, now don't start that again.
Watch my girls. We've been watching all the Disney movies.
Green onions?
So much fun, man.
Oh, the Disney Vault, or whatever it's called?
Yeah.
Man, it's good.
Ring the bell?
No. No.
Okay.
You keep using this word.
No. See, you got excited. You got excited. You wanted to use it, and you used it in a place.
I've been
But
trying.
it wasn't quite appropriate, so now you blew it.
You
You
got
blew it!
You blew it!
There we go. That is gorgeous. Beautiful. Now, typically I would let this rest for a while, but
It's the tough part about this situation.
it's breakfast. You don't really have time for it.
Nah,
right?
dude.
It's breakfast. It's
Yeah.
time to eat. Go.
Gotta eat.
Gotta eat.
Plus, we're making a video.
Plus, we're making a video.
Plus, we're making a video.
So we're gonna get in.
Okay.
Here we go. I'm gonna give this a nice little slice. Beauty.
Oh, jeez.
I just like to slice it this way because this is obviously a steak that's huge for breakfast. So this would definitely be for 2, maybe 3 people. So serving it kind of cut on an angle like that just makes it a little bit more elegant. And you can feed more people with a single steak. So I think that's fun.
The same mistake or a same steak?
With the same steak.
Oh.
Beauty. Add a bit of this beautiful salsa verde. A bit of green. Bit of red, CJ.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay.
Bit of red.
Okay.
That's a really fun one. I mean, you can go with hot sauce, you go Tabasco, Crystal, whatever you want, but we've got a lot of fun flavors going on in CJ. We got
Oh.
2 forks.
Yes, one for me, one for you.
I got you a fork, my man. I want to get into this tortilla real quick just because this is really, really fun.
Yeah, that was very cool.
So we've got some nice texture, and we've still got a beautiful egg, right? So I mean, it's really fast, quick technique, but we're getting some protein and some carbs in the morning because this is a hungry boy breakfast.
This is a hearty breakfast right
Oh
here.
dang, this is where I'm getting right here.
Okay.
That's my. Oh, it's got some of that salsa on there.
I'm
Ooh.
gonna let you have your flour situation. That's really good.
Salsa's
looking,
where it's
man.
at. A little nibble of that steak, some of the green, and the red. Can you see that?
Oh,
buddy?
wait, stay there. Oh yes.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
don't you move.
Don't shoot.
Don't. Okay, you can move.
Okay. Cooking fun food, not to be difficult. Having a really fun presentation, beautiful, flavors to the roof, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Every day should start with steak and eggs.
And a bell ring. Whoa.
Whoa.
Throwing around samurai swords. There we go. Hey,
wanna talk
people
anymore.
go check out Teespring. We got a bunch
Yeah, do
of
that.
fun gear, fun swag, and blackstoneproducts.com. See
Check
other
out
recipes.
Betty's show, check out Todd's show, check out CJ's show.
Yes.
Here on Cook, Eat, Repeat, we love to cook, we love to eat, repeat.
That only makes sense.
Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for recipes like this and a ton more. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on Facebook and on Instagram. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy.
Whoa. There we go.
See you guys in the next video.
Okay.